All right, boys and girls, we're doing some more counting on to add, so please write your name at the top of your paper. Now, this one is pretty simple. We're just going to be adding tens basically today. So the first one has 3 tens, so it's 30 plus 10. So we just add up how many sticks of 10 do you see? And let's do 40. Okay, now we have 40 plus 10. So we have 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 50. Okay, so the next one has 20 plus 10. So we just think there's 1, 2, 3. And then add a 0. Okay. This one, let's count how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So 60 plus 10. So one more is 70. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens with a 0. Plus a 10 is 60. And this last one looks like it's a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70 plus 10. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 80. All right, so let's take a look on the back. We're basically doing the same thing. There's just a few more problems on the back because we don't have the tens and the ones. So we just look at the first two numbers, 8 plus 2. If I have 8 plus 2, that equals 10, and then add a 0. 1 plus 6, what's 1 more than 6? 7 with a 0. 6 plus 10, so 1 more than 6. Also 7, that looks like that's a flip-flop fact. 5 plus 3, so catch 5 and count up 3. 8 with a 0. 0 plus 50 is just 50. 7 plus 1 is 8, add the 0. 7 plus 3 is 10, and then put a 0, so it's 100. This is 40. 2 plus 2 is 4, and add a 0. And I'll do one more row with you. 2 plus 7, so start on 7 and catch 7, go up 2. 9. 8 plus 2 is 10, add a 0, so it's 100. And 80 plus 0 is 80. All right, so now you have a few I want you to try on your own to be able to show your teacher that you know how to solve these problems with adding 10. So nice job, boys and girls.